Welcome back to my channel Solidworks tutorial with BS Tech. Today we will learn that how to use cell feature in Solidworks. So let's get started. For the cell, first of all we should have a cell geometry. Okay, so which I have already created. So then we will click on cell. What will be thickness for the cell? We will keep it 10 mm. Then select the face, which face you want to remove. I'll click this face. Okay, and show preview. You can see in preview our face has been removed. Okay, again we will go in cell edit feature. Okay, if you want to if you want to remove both of face, you will select here this face also like this, and you can see this face also removed. Again go in edit feature of cell, select this face. Okay, now if you want to cell outside, you will click here like this. Okay, and in this feature you can add the multiple thickness with the variable faces. Okay, like select here, I want to keep the thickness 20 mm. As you can see in the preview, it is 20 mm. Okay, and this I want to keep 40 mm. Okay, just like you can add the variable thickness to the variable walls. Okay, so then click on OK. Now your cell feature is done.